Anthurium plants are admired for their glossy green leaves and vibrant flowers, but sometimes their leaves can start turning yellow. One of the most common reasons is overwatering. Anthuriums prefer slightly moist soil, but not soggy conditions. When the roots sit in excess water, they can begin to rot, which reduces the plant's ability to take up nutrients. This stress shows up in the form of yellowing leaves, usually starting from the lower leaves. Ensuring the pot has proper drainage and allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings can prevent this issue. Another reason for yellow leaves can be improper lighting. Anthuriums thrive in bright, indirect light, similar to what they'd experience under the canopy of trees in their natural environment. If the plant receives too much direct sunlight, its leaves can scorch, turning yellow or even brown at the edges. On the other hand, if it's kept in too little light, the leaves may also yellow because the plant isn't producing enough energy through photosynthesis. Finding a balanced spot, such as near a window with filtered light, is ideal. Nutrient deficiencies are another possible cause. If anthuriums are not fertilized regularly, they may not receive enough nitrogen, which is essential for healthy green leaves. A lack of nitrogen often shows up as uniform yellowing of older leaves, while deficiencies in other nutrients like magnesium or iron may cause yellowing with green veins. Feeding the plant with a balanced, diluted fertilizer every few weeks during its growing season can help keep its leaves lush and green. Lastly, environmental stress such as temperature fluctuations or low humidity can contribute to yellow leaves. Anthuriums are tropical plants that love warm, humid conditions. Exposure to cold drafts, sudden changes in temperature, or very dry indoor air can stress the plant and cause its leaves to lose their healthy green color. Keeping the plant in a stable, warm environment with humidity around 60 to 80% will encourage vibrant foliage. By identifying and addressing the root cause, you can help your anthurium recover and maintain its stunning appearance.